Nature, a wonderful thing that was created for humanity's joy. The sounds it creates are breathtaking, and its appearance remarkable and absolutely wonderful to view and gaze at. But when you mess with nature, nature will mess with you. It will put you through misery and sorrow, only to prove that nature is the one controlling us. We don't control nature. It has so much more power and it can cause a lot more heartache than people can. Just look at its power and strength. It will take you down. Look at those cars. Nature can come out of the sky. Nature is a beast to be reckoned with.